Hello there, crypto chasers. Wanna make some extra money apart from a daily job? Here it is. In this video, we will be talking about a tap to earn project which has been growing very rapidly in the previous months. Also, we will be talking about the full roadmap of how you can earn by this project, giving 10 to 20 minutes a day. So let's get into it. The tap to earn game we are talking here is Hamster Kombat. Firstly, let me quickly tell you about the potential of the project. Hamster Kombat is a Telegram-based tap-to-earn project supported by Ton blockchain. Also, they have the largest community channel in Telegram with over 40 million subscribers. They had also the record of over 25 million subscribers on YouTube in less than a month. Now, as you know the potential of this project, let's move on the third phase of the video, that is the earning plan. How you can earn from this project. So basically, the link from Hamster Kombat is in the description and pinned comment as well. You need to click on the link and then you will be redirected to the Hamster Kombat Telegram bot. You need to start the bot. After that, open the web app. And here comes the interface. Now you need to tap on the circle to earn more and more coins. On the top right corner, there is a profit per hour icon. The more your profit per hour, the more money you will get after listing. So currently, to earn, you need to focus on tapping and increasing your profit per hour as well as the ranks, and subscribe to the channel to know more about the Hamster Kombat. In near future, you have the options to sell these coins and convert them into real cash. Make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to do not miss any updates from this earning.